everyone, this is Miss Ruth Wenceslao and welcome to my vlog. Today I'm gonna show you my evening routine before I go to sleep, before I go to bed. So these are the things that I'm doing before I go to bed. And I would like to feature the products that I am also selling. And I'm so glad I'm part of the sales force of this product. Very promising talaga tong products na to. And last week, they just have a new product launch of the new Beautederm elixir, and ayun, feeling ko maganda din siya, although hindi ko pa siya nasusubukan, and I'm sure masusubukan ko rin naman siya one of these days. But ito po yung product na ginagamit ko for almost 1 year na rin. I'm so glad I met Miss Anne Concepcion, and of course na-meet ko na rin sila Sir Gabby Concepcion and Sir Tony Alarcon. Nakita ko na rin sila Pauline Mendoza, and also si kalimutan ko na yung pangalan niya. maraming artista kasi talaga eh. So naggumagamit ng Beautederm, and also yun din yung nagpabilib sa akin, isa sa nagpabilib sa akin sa Beautederm, kasi yun nga, hindi lang siya basta-basta ini-endorse ng mga artista. Talagang ginagamit nila. And nakikita ko po sa mga Facebook accounts nila. And recently, nakita ko sila Sir Luke Mijares, partner rin pala ng Beautederm. Also si Darren Espanto. Yan, Camille Prats. At marami pang iba. Yan, pa-flash ko dito sa screen. And also, once again, I'm featuring this product na ginagamit ko, which is the basic set ng Beautederm, which is, it includes the basic package na ito. Ito po yung travel package. It includes the day and night toner, the Paping whitening soap, and also meron na siyang 4 creams na kasama. And ito po yung aking gagamitin tonight, and I will show you sa next videos. And also kasama rin po yung aking pinaka-favorite, which is the Purify. So sobrang effective talaga nitong product na to sa akin. And as you can see, i-flash ko rin po sa screen, yung breakout talaga yung skin ko. Nagkaroon ako ng maraming pimples due to actually hanggang ngayon meron pa rin naman akong PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome. So safe ito sa mga may PCOS, and safe din ito sa mga pregnant. So after a month nung unang gamit ko, syempre medyo mahapdi siya, syempre nagre-react siya, and I believe kung hindi siya mahapdi sa mukha nung ginagamit mo siya, ibig sabihin hindi talaga siya nag-work. So it's a positive thing na medyo mahapdi siya, meron siyang chill feeling na tinatawag. So ayun, I hope ito na po ang aking evening routine. I hope you can check it up. Ito po yung lagi kong ginagawa, of course. Ano ko pong ginagawa? First things first, of course, I have to wash my face with etong Purify whitening and exfoliating. I think malaki po talaga yung naitulong nitong Purify sa pag-remove ng mga pimples ko before. It has vitamin C and vitamin E, glutathione, and glycerin. So, this step, it is optional, but you know, it's recommended po talaga if you really have a breakout, like yung mga pimples, para po ma-wash out or ma-deep clean yung mga seated na dirt and makeup residue na galing sa labas and sa makeup po. So, kailangan tanggalin mo po siya ng maigi. And then, step 2, I used papain soap. Of course, you have to put it in your hands and then apply it to your face and rinse. So, what I'd like in this papain soap is it has a powerful exfoliating properties and very effective po siya in removing dead skin cells. And of course, it rejuvenates dry and flaky skin. It has an orange peel and papaya extract infused with vitamin C, leaves the skin flawless, blemish free, whiter and younger looking, delicately scented, and of course, ideal po siya sa lahat ng skin types. Super ganda. Also, next naman po would be the day and night toner. So, for me, I'm using a cotton, and I just put a small amount sa cotton and then put it all over my face. It has a micro filling effect. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina. It reveals young, fresh, and youthful new skin. It has active ingredients that effectively cleanse deep down into the pores and helps reduce pore size. Ay, grabe. Totoo yun. Talagang yung mga pores ko lumiit, as in, unlike before. It also creates a fresher, cleaner, and less oily appearance while removing toxins and other unhealthy residue from the skin. It gives the skin a long-lasting glow and lessen the chance of acne, scarring, and wrinkles. So, kung hindi po nag-umepect sa inyo, please see your dermatologist. Kasi po, sa akin po talagang effective talaga siya. Talagang nawala po lahat ng pimples ko. Kahit na before, paisa-isa na lang. And then, next would be, ayan, my night cream. My night cream, as I've said, we have 3 night creams, and alam niyo naman po, talagang ano to katulad ng pag nanonood po ako sa Korean novelas, ang dami po talagang mga ina-apply ng mga Korean na girls, kaya sabi ko siguro talagang maraming dapat ina-apply. So ito, nakita ko yung product na totoo pala, it speaks talaga na ganun pala talaga dapat. Marami palang ceremonias, no? So the first step would be the whitening. I applied a pea-size amount on my face and neck. This night cream helps reduce visible signs of aging and dark spots, melasma, or yung tinatawag natin na mga melasma, like si mama meron din ganun. Lightens old pimple marks and blemishes, regenerates the skin during sleep, and has active, nourishing ingredients that rejuvenate the skin for the following day. Wow, diba? Amazing. Next would be the night cream. Ina-apply ko siya pag medyo tuyo na yung first cream. Ito naman pong night cream 2, medyo medyo transparent. So this night night cream 2 is the moisturizing. I also apply a pea-sized amount on the face and the neck. Interval of 5 minutes po dapat after applying the night cream 1. It's light, non-greasy gel form, helps moisturize, renew, and repair aging skin. This overnight moisturizer helps give your skin a nice and dewy texture. Ito yung nagpapa-glow. Nakikita niyo ba yung skin ko? Ayan, nag-glow. Wow. Ayan, diba? Because if your skin is glowing, dun daw po kasi nakikita na healthy yung skin mo. Dapat hindi siya yung super dry at hindi rin naman siya yung super oily. Yeah. And before I apply my night cream 3, ito yung next na ginagawa ko. Syempre, I am reading the Bible. No, sabi nga nila, if you want to feed your physical aspect, you have to eat yung mga solid food. But if you want to feed your soul, which is the emotional aspect and the spiritual aspect, you have to feed your soul with the Word of God. Ito nga ang tinatawag natin na bread of life, which is, sabi nga sa Bible, hindi lang sa tinapay nabubuhay ang tao, kundi sa mga salitang namumutawid sa Panginoon. Ayan, so yan lagi ko pong ginagawa before I go to sleep. So I hope ganyan din po kayo. And next, I am using the night cream 3, which is the anti-aging. Isa din sa favorite ko to. I also apply a pea-size amount on the face. Of course, pag medyo tuyo na yung night cream 2, it improves skin elasticity, locks in moisture and tones the skin, slow down aging, and reduces visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, aids in tissue repair, particularly on sunburn and skin inflammation, contains a powerful combination of collagen and placenta, which helps repair and renew damaged skin cells. And finally, what I'm doing before I go to sleep is, of course, I pray. Of course, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng blessings, sa pag-iingat niya. Kasi ang blessing hindi lang naman po in terms of money. The moment na nagising ka sa araw na to, and ayun, humihinga ka pa until now, it's a blessing. So, hindi lang talaga laging material ang pag sinabi mong blessing. So, we have to thank the Lord God for the new day na pinagkaloob niya. And so sabi nga nila, when you kneel down, when you pray, it makes you more stronger. Kaya I hope ikaw ay magpa-pray din before you go to sleep, every day, every night. So that's it for my vlog for today. I hope meron din kayong natutunan. And of course, please don't forget, I am also selling the Beautederm products. Kaya if you are interested, you may go to my Facebook page, that is Beautederm North Caloocan. Just message me there and I will give you the prices. Alright? Thank you so much! This has been your host, Singer Rakitera, for today. Maraming salamat po. Please don't forget to like, share, and kung meron kang comment dito po, write down your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. God bless.